Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about email marketing strategies that can help you reach your target audience, improve customer engagement and increase conversions. Why email marketing is important. Firstly, let's talk about why email marketing is important. Email marketing is a cost-effective way to communicate with your audience, build relationships and drive sales. In fact, research shows that email marketing has an ROI of 4,400%, making it one of the most effective digital marketing channels. Now, let's discuss some strategies that you can implement to get the most out of your email marketing campaigns. Number 1 is personalization. Personalization is a crucial element of successful email marketing. By personalizing your emails, you can make them more relevant to your audience, which increases the chances of them engaging with your content. You can personalize your emails by addressing your subscribers by name, segmenting your email list based on their interests and behavior, and using dynamic content. Number 2 is clear and compelling subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing that your subscribers see when they receive your email. A clear and compelling subject line can make your email stand out in a crowded inbox and increase your open rates. Some tips for writing effective subject lines include using action-oriented language, creating a sense of urgency, and keeping it short and sweet. Number 3 is mobile optimization. With more than half of all emails being opened on mobile devices, it's essential to optimize your emails for mobile. This means using a responsive design that adjusts to the screen size of the device, using a clear and simple layout, and using images and fonts that are easy to read on a small screen. Number 4 is A/B testing. A/B testing is a great way to optimize your email campaigns and improve your results over time. By testing different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, content, and calls to action, you can learn what works best for your audience and make data-driven decisions to improve your campaigns. Conclusion. So there you have it, some email marketing strategies that you can implement to improve your email campaigns. Remember to focus on personalization, use clear and compelling subject lines, optimize your emails for mobile, and use A/B testing to optimize your campaigns. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your email engagement, drive more sales and grow your business. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies.